This one is going out to its general form of judgment or order in the county court. In the county court at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch, claim number K02Cl827, date the 7th July 2025, the county court, there's a stamp, housing for women, first claimant reference, I'm not reading out everything because I will be posting, Merville Myers, first defendant. Before His Honor Judge Richard Roberts, Senior Circuit Judge and designated civil judge, sitting at the county court at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch, G Street Courthouse, 29 to 41 G Street, London, EC1V, 3RE, on the 4th July 2025, upon hearing counsel for the claimant, Simon Strelitz, and the defendant in person, assisted by a friend who was permitted to address the court on the defendant's behalf despite only identifying herself as Debbie. And upon the court dealing with the claimant's contempt application dated 25th of June 2025, take note of that date. And upon the defendant being reminded of her right to remain silent and her right to obtain non-means tested legal aid, and upon the defendant being provided with the information sheet produced by the claimant solicitor, a further copy of which is attached in this order, which sets out to the defendant her rights and how she can find a legal aid solicitor and make an application for criminal legal aid. Who the fuck is this criminal you're talking about? Motherfucker. HHJ Richard Roberts. And upon the defendant being reminded of the seriousness of the allegations against her, the importance of obtaining legal advice and representation, and that the injunction order of 1st August 2023, as extended at paragraph 6 of the order of HHJ Richard Roberts, dated 20th of March, remains in full force and effect. I didn't know who the fuck was HHJ Richard Roberts when that motherfucker took over from HHJ. When that motherfucker took over from Sarah Elizabeth Beecham, when I challenged her, that bitch, with HCT Group Impact Reports of 1 in 5 of all suicides are associated with unemployment, it is ordered that the contempt application is adjourned. The contempt application shall be listed for trial before HHJ Richard Roberts, Cunt, at 10 a.m. on the 31st of July 2025 in Court 4 with access to CVP screen with a time estimate of 1 day. Motherfucker, you're going to get stick up your ass, clot. The claimant shall file at court and serve upon the defendant a schedule of media/video evidence to include hyperlinks to a secure online drive if possible by 4 p.m. on the 18th of July 2025, a day away. Motherfucker, cunt, HHJ Richard Roberts. If the defendant wishes to rely on any witness statements at the hearing, these should be filed at court and serve upon the claimant by 4 p.m. on the 25th of July 2025. Cunt, motherfucker, HHJ Richard Roberts. The claimant shall file at court and serve upon the defendant a fully paginated and indexed trial bundle by 4 p.m. on the 29th of July 2025 in both electronic and paper form. And cunt, HHJ Richard Roberts. The claimant and defendant shall serve upon each other and file at court skeleton argument by 4 p.m. on the 30th of July 2025. The sketch argument should be emailed to enquiries at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch.countycourt / at justice.gov.uk and HHJ Richard Roberts, ejudiciary.net. Pussy hole, you're going to get stick up your ass, clot. Cost reserve. Where did you send this? On the 7th of July. Where did you send this? But where did you send the one hand delivered? Motherfucker, you don't know who you're dealing with. Pussy hole, dirty boy. Yeah? Pussy hole, dirty boy. You don't know who you're dealing with. You can send this hand delivered, come, right? You can send it. Yeah? This is where you send it. You're in fucking breach, motherfucker. And let me read my horoscope now. Taurus. Mercury is said to retrace its steps, which can mean you encounter obstacles. Don't be surprised if you have felt this influence already at work. This is a cue to tackle the clutter that's been accumulating in the corners of your life. Consider the mental and digital realms that may also need sorting. It's time to roll up your sleeves. Yeah? And who is talking? Yeah? That's me for all of you who have done what you have done to me. I'm in a safe place. Thanks to the team. Thanks to the patient. On Aubrey Lewis 1 wing. Yeah? I have a rights. You said I have rights. So this is Merville Myers, in case you didn't know who is Merville Myers. I am Merville Myers.